How you doing, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Right, a bunch of stuff here to start off with here. Okay, I want to try and get rid of a bunch of stuff. Right, let's start off this here. This here is a Master 6327. Okay, brand new. Oh, keep it. That's it there. Yeah. I don't know why it's a close shaker. I can't remember. Sorry. Where is this gonna go? Dead shackle. Okay. Now, I have one of these here in my collection. This is the second one. And this one here is the third one. This here is going to Brummie. So we can have that one there. What else? This here is going to. This here is a Yale. It's an old style Yale. So Yale go back and then obviously the tiny. Sheer lock here is also going to Brummie as well. So that there. What else have we got here now? Where's this thing at? This here is a Master. Where is let's see, what does this say now? Oh, I can't see it. Right, this here's a Master 550D. Now I actually don't have one of these in my collection. This here is the keybind on it. It's dead shackle. This is going on my collection, so that's out of my oh yes, this little baby here. Where's it at? Where's the key to this thing at? See that much key lying right here, boys, it's unreal. Ah, there's it. This here, as you can see yourself, is a papace. It's a Brazilian block, 70mm wide, beautiful brass, original key, and there's a snap on that there, boys, like a mule. Boys, that is some kick on that thing there. Not that there. Put your hand around that there, boys, and it's just gonna take a finger off you. Very nice. I'm gonna keep that. So 2 to Brummie, 2 to me. Let's see now, what else? Oh, this here is a Squire SAL 40. I have 2 of them. 2 of them in box. This here is, this one here is going to Brummie. So, and this one here, I don't know why I keep it or not. As I say, brand new box. Both of them silver. That shackle is terrible. That spring out there is absolutely terrible. But oh, the keybind on it. That's the keybind on it. 2 keys. So right. What else do I want to show you? Oh yes. This here is an anchor glass or anchor. I don't know how you pronounce that. This here is not going to stay in my collection. I bought it just for the sake of mine. It's a disc. I think it's a disc lock, is it? One of them disc locks only. I think so. You stupidly open this thing here. Why is this not open for? Because I didn't put it in far enough. That is going. I bought it, now I'm not interested in it. Oh, yes. Let me make sure this is the right one here. I bought myself this here present. If you can see it there, it says Irish lockpicker. Closed shackle, 50mm wide, dead shackle. Now, I bought that there for myself, and I bought one with another person channel on it. I'll send that out to him. What else have I bought? I want to say something else. Oh, union lock. Nice. And works perfect. Oh, I can get this stupid thing turned around. Okay, nice. This year, guess what? Brummie. Right. Is there anything else I might want to shift on to here? Oh yes, I want to show you this here. This here is a aluminium. Well, the Americans, they pronounce it all wrong. They call it aluminum. Don't know why they call it the wrong way, the wrong name for it, but anyway, that's their business. But this is the real name for this here is aluminium, not aluminum, aluminium. So it's 33 centimeters long, which is like it's about 13 inches, something like that, 14 inches. She's beautiful. Nothing to the back. It's all pure aluminium, and I think it's gorgeous. Anything else I want to show you? Oh yes, I want to ask you somebody this here question here. I bought this wee thing here. Now this here is a union, and it says here at the bottom, AM on the. See that there? Can you see that? It says AM on the bottom of it. Now I don't know why it says AM. If anybody knows union locks, why does it say AM on this here? And this is nothing. This is the proper came out. No, the proper lock when it first came out. It said AM on. I don't know why. It's the size of a Squire 220. And this is the key for it. So, and I think it's a beautiful wee lock. Now this year's going to stay with me because I've never seen one with an AM on it, and it's got me intrigued. So, right, can't show anyone what time it is now. 7 minutes here. We're not too bad. Right, what else do I want to show the Brummie? Oh, right, Brummie. No, I'm not showing them there. No, I'll just throw them on. I'll keep it bored. Sorry. What else I want to show you? Yes. An era. Everybody's seen these here this last while. Why is this not? What's wrong here? This is an era big 6 lever. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And that's the key bit on it. Right, that's enough luck. So there's going on to 8 minutes here. Right, everybody. Thank you very much for tuning in, and I will talk to you again sometime. Right, bye bye.